Hiya, Darren from Wrayz Guitars here. This one I've got to show you. It's brilliant. Okay. This is a 1974 Rickenbacker 4001 bass. New to the current owner. Look at that wacky paint job. Oh, I love it. A little bit up there, and then when you turn it around, it goes all the way up the neck. It's all lacquered in. Real character. Anyway, it's new to the current owner. It's come in with some electrical gremlins, so I'm going to try and sort that out. So I'm going to shield the cavity inside there. We've only got one pickup working, so I'll figure that out. And we're going to test the Ricco sound. So Rickenbackers have got two outputs. There's a mono output, which is just like a standard guitar or bass, and then there's a Ricco sound, which basically splits these two. So you put a Y splitter in it, and you can send one pickup to one amplifier, another one to another amplifier, and you could then put distortion on it or whatever. It's a very unique thing, and that's the splitter, which is a Ricco Sounds one, and that's what I'm going to use to test it. So a one of a kind, very rare thing, very unusual. Let me know what you think. Okay, first things first then. Let's test some sounds. Which one's it? Right, standard one. Okay, next good. Bridge isn't, but I did catch a hint that it was working, so I think it's just going to be cleaning these up. Let's try the Ricco sound. Right, so Bridge is working through that. Okay, that's interesting. So both pickups work through the Ricco sound. Only the neck works through the mono, but it's coming in and out. So we just could have a dodgy wiring connection. That's pretty easy to fix. So I'm going to get this cover off, loosen the strings, get this cover off, get the electrics working. Then I'm going to copper shield all of it, and I'm also going to add this cover, which covers that nasty hole, and acts as a thumb rest. Okay, so turn the amp off. I don't know how many of these actually screw it down, so let's take the whole lot out. Okay, that's all okay. Oh, that one went in easier. I'm supposed to be shielding this, aren't I? Right. Okay. Let's see if we can. Oh, there's a little bit of corrosion in there. See if we can get all that cleaned up before I do anything else. Okay, let's plug back in. It's working. That should be dead. That one should be live. Yeah. All good. No crackles. All right. Okay, so that was an easy fix. Next job now is to take all these knobs off and take that off, and I'm going to do the shielding. That doesn't want to go. Now screwed on. That one, no. Give me that one. Yeah. Right. Okay, so I'm going to take that tape off and then shield the back of that. There you go, pickguard done. Front cavity done. Now I've got to do this one and the one that has all the controls. Bit all done, so I can put that pickup back in now. And then I'm going to put all the controls back into the pickguard, and then I'll do the cavity behind there. There we go, just about done. A bit fiddly in there, but all good.